Hi everyone. In previous session we have solved a problem on replacement of items that deteriorate with time when money value is considered. So here we are going to see one more problem in that case. So now see that what is the problem. Assume that the present value of 1 rupee to be spent in a year time is 0.90. So 1 year of time lo 1 రూపీ స్పెండ్ చేసిన ప్రజెంట్ వాల్యూ ఎంత అవుతుంది 0.90 అవుతుంది. అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ద డిస్కౌంట్ రేట్ ఈస్ డైరెక్ట్లీ గివెన్ టు అస్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వి వాల్యూ వాస్ డైరెక్ట్లీ గివెన్. సో వి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0.90. that was directly given to us. Next, capital cost is given. So that is C equals to 6,000 rupees. Next, the running costs are given in the table. So 7 year for a 7 years of period he has given it to us. Then he is asking us, when should the machine be replaced? When should the machine be replaced? So now let us calculate the same thing. So here the discount rate was given to us. So we need to follow the methodology of second way. So that's why we have considered this tabular column. Now let us calculate the values according to that. So first, year 1. So Rn. So the running car operating cost is given how much in the first year? That is 1000 rupees. Next, v power n minus 1. V power 1 minus 1 means 0. V power 0 means 1. Next, Rn into v power n minus 1. 1000 rupees. Next, sigma value. Previously there are no Rn values, so that's why it is also 1000 rupees. Next, C minus S. Here also scrap value is not given, so that is 0. S is equals to 0. If any scrap value is given, we need to consider that one also. So here C minus S value is 6,000 rupees. Next, total cost. C minus S plus sigma Rn into v power n minus 1. That is 7,000. Next, sigma v power n minus 1. Previously there are no terms, so 1. So next, weighted average Tc by sigma v power n minus 1. So 7,000 by 1 we will get 7,000. Next, so let us calculate it for the second year. So in second year the maintenance cost is 1200 rupees. So now write the maintenance cost 1200 rupees. V power, now n is 2, v power 2 minus 1 means v. So what is v value? 0.9. It was already given. Next, Rn into v power n minus 1. 1200 into 0.9. You will get 1080 rupees. Next, sigma value. That means 1000 plus 1080. You will get 2080. Next, C minus S value is 6,000. Next, add these two, then you will get 8080. Next, sigma v power n minus 1 means 0.9 plus 1, then 1.9. Then calculate weighted average 8080 by 1.9. Then you will get 4252.63. Next, so if you observe the weighted average, it was decreased. So let's go for third year. So in third year, what is the maintenance cost? It is equals to 1600 rupees. So write that one. And next, v power 3 minus 1 means v square. V square means 0.9 square. You will get 0.81. And next, Rn into v power n minus 1. So you will get 1296. Next, sigma value means 2080 plus 1296. You will get 3376. So C minus S is 6,000. We know already. Next, 6,000 plus 3376. 9376. Next, sigma v power n minus 1 means 1.9 plus 0.81. You will get 2.71. And next, 9376 by 2.71. You will get 3459.78. So if you see, observe this, again the weighted average value was decreased. So let's go for next year. So what is the fourth year maintenance cost? 2000 rupees. So take calculate for that. So fourth year maintenance cost is 2000 rupees. So v power n minus 1, that means v power 4 minus 1 means v cube. So 0.9 cube you will get as 0.73. Next Rn into v power n minus 1. So you will get 1460. Next sigma 3376 plus 1470. You will get 4836. Next C minus S. So that is 6000 rupees. Next 6000 plus 4836. So 10,836. Sigma v power n minus 1 means 2.71 plus 0.73. We will get 3.44. Next 10,836 by 3.44 we will get 3150. So if you observe that, again the weighted average value was decreased. So we have to go for next year. So that is fifth year I am doing. So in the fifth year, what is the maintenance cost? 2600 rupees. So now take that 2600. So now v power 5 minus 1, that is v power 4. Okay, that means 0.9 power 4. We will get 0.66. R and 2600 into 0.66, we will get 1716. Next sigma value 4836 plus 1716, we will get 6552. Next C minus S value is 6000 rupees. Next total cost 6000 plus 6552, so 12552. Next sigma v power n minus 1 means 3.44 plus 0.66, we will get 4.1. So 12552 by 4.1, we will get 3061.46. So if you observe this, again the weighted average value was decreased. So let's go for next year. So that is sixth year. So in the sixth year, what is the maintenance cost? That is 3200 rupees. So now take that maintenance cost 3200 rupees. So v power n minus 1 means v power 6 minus 1, that is v power 5, that means 0.9 power 5. So we will get 0.59. Next Rn into v power n minus 1 we will get, that is 3200 into 0.59, we will get 1888. Next sigma value means 6552 plus 1888, we will get 8440. Next C minus S is 6000 rupees. Next total cost 6000 plus 8440, so 14440. Next sigma v power n minus 1, so 4.1 plus 0.59, we will get 4.69. Next weighted average value 14440 by 4.69, we will get 3078.89. So if you observe the weighted average value, here in fifth year 3061.46, in sixth year 3078.89. So weighted average value increases. So we can stop with this. Even though 7 years of data was given to us, we can stop at sixth year as we got the solution. So what is the minimal value? 3061.46. Now write the conclusion statement. So the weighted average is minimum, that is rupees 3061.46 in, it is minimum in fifth year, it is minimum in fifth year. Hence, the equipment should be replaced at the end of fifth year. Right? So this one is the solution for the given problem. Right? So like this we are going to solve. So this is one model, and next we are going to discuss one more model. Right? So when the maintenance cost is given in a equation form. Okay. Right. Thank you.